Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to this channel. Today we're diving into Samsung's freshest additions to the tablet world, the Galaxy Tab S10 FE and the Tab S10 FE Plus. These are the mid-range champs everyone's talking about in 2025. But are they actually worth your money? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's break it down. Both models bring that classic Samsung premium look. Metal unibody, clean lines, and a super comfy matte finish. And yup, they're IP68 water and dust resistant, something you usually only see on flagship tablets. The FE is a bit more compact at 10.9 inches, while the FE Plus stretches out to 12.4 inches, perfect for content lovers or multitaskers. Now let's talk screens. Both use LCD panels, not AMOLED, but still sharp and vibrant. You get a 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animation feel smooth. And brightness? Solid, even outdoors. Both tablets are powered by Samsung's new Exynos 1580 chip, a big upgrade over last year's FE models. Paired with 8 GB RAM on the FE and up to 12 GB on the FE Plus, they can handle multitasking, gaming, and even DeX productivity mode with ease. Want to turn your tablet into a mini laptop? Just connect a keyboard and launch Samsung DeX. Boom, desktop vibes. Front camera? You're looking at a 12-megapixel ultra-wide for smooth video calls and a 13-megapixel rear shooter for scanning docs or quick snaps. But the real star. The S Pen is included in the box, works great for taking notes, sketching, or editing, and it magnetically attaches to the back. Artists and students, you're covered. Battery life is: the FE has an 8,000 mAh cell, and the FE Plus pushes it to 10,090 mAh. You're looking at all-day use. Easy. And with 45-watt fast charging, you can top up quickly. But make sure to grab the charger separately. It's not in the box for everyone. For the price? You're getting a lot. Mid-range tablets don't usually feel this premium or perform this smooth. So, are the Tab S10 FE and FE Plus worth it in 2025? Short answer, yes. If you're looking for a tablet that handles entertainment, productivity, drawing, school, and more, without going full flagship, these are easily top-tier choices. All right, fam, that's it for today's deep dive. Are you Team Tab S10 FE or FE Plus? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if this helped you out, and sub if you want more honest tech reviews every week. Catch you in the next one.